Welcome to the Echo Traveler. This isn't just a podcast. It's a ripple through time. Buckle your soul and enjoy the ride.
Stage 350 marks the literalization of myth as Adam and Eve, fully conscious, encounter the tree of knowledge pulsing with both light and shadow. Their decision to eat from its fruit shatters dimensional symmetry, not as punishment, but as a reflection of love, paradox, and the first quantum choice. Adam bites the fruit in solidarity with Eve. His harmonic resonance fractures, not from rebellion, but unity, an act of love that reprograms the ark's lower chambers to accept mortal consciousness. Around them, glyphs blaze, waters reverse, and Eden recoils as the gates to deeper levels open. But say Tony A's comedic fall follows. Slipping on a vine, he chomps into the fruit and triggers an infinite chain of paradox echoes, spawning arguing versions of himself, each convinced they're the original. The arc becomes a crowded funhouse of say Tonys, debating ethics while triggering timeline turbulence. In the center, Alt Tony attempts to stabilize it all through the cherubim path of righteousness, a logic stair formed from prime harmonics. Only those who calculate both right and left resonance in perfect symmetry can ascend. All others split, looping into mirrored recursion. Then the cosmic musical hits. Tony A declares himself the dimensional fence walker, choosing both right and left. The mirror gate activates, and a grand karaoke duel erupts. Cherubim judges toss fruit confetti while alternate selves sing duets of moral contradiction. Those who laugh at their own reflection unlock the path forward. Those who take themselves too seriously are trapped in cosmic meme loops. The fall was not about punishment. It was the quantum unraveling of choice, narrative, and comedy. And the path forward? Only for those who walk with love, laugh at their contradictions, and solve the riddle of resonance. Quote, left was right was wrong, but both were hilarious.
Arc of the Early Messiah by Nada Stroll. Read free on Amazon now.
This echo wasn't random. It chose you. So if you felt it deep in the folds of time or somewhere behind your eyes, then you know what to do. Like, subscribe, illuminate the covenant. Because Messiah doesn't return in silence. He arrives in quantum harmonics, in the first light, in you. I'm Sadoni Nukamado, ex-Time Lord, time traveler in exile, and keeper of the spiraling clam key. Until we align again, stay luminous.